don't see having CentOS out there is a bad thing. It's actually a good thing, right?
Yeah.
It broadens our community. There are a lot of people who don't need the things that we have in a subscription, and it's great that they have an offering that's built off of the same code base, right? I mean, it's different bits, but it's built off of the same code base. And so that's great, and happy, and we've worked with them when we made changes to the way that we've released code. We've worked with them to make sure it doesn't screw up their flow, and so that's fine.
Yeah.
Now we do like going in there and say, well, you see the value in Linux. Now let us tell you all the things that a subscription gets you beyond that, whether it's around the performance tuning or the manageability or compliance or the gazillion other things as well. But it's easier to go in and convince somebody who's using the bits of all the other sources of value than it is to say, hey, you haven't tried this software, but try it, it's valuable, right?
Fair enough. And then on the flip side, another company that you may not be as friendly with, Oracle, where they take your bits and kind of sort of claim that it's the same. I would assume that that's more a stronger competitive situation where you are aggressively trying to fight back at this point in time?
Oh, we absolutely are aggressively trying to fight back. At the same time, I would say we don't see it a lot. And I'm sure that they have Oracle Red customers, places where they have it, but we don't see it a lot.
Yeah.
Every now and then they'll toss it into a bid, but it's, I'd say, relatively rare. The difficulty is to say it's the same, but then say that they're going to provide, patch support and bug support to customers. Well, if they can't get that back into our kernel, then it's not the same. And so frankly, some of the larger couple of customers that we've said over the last several years that we've lost, I think all but one has come back because they basically get a year later and they're like, well, it ain't the same anymore because there are all these other bug fixes and things that happened, and now things aren't working the way they're supposed to. So you can't have it be the same but still say that you're putting in changes and be responsive to customers' needs. So I think it's been a difficult one for them.